In this Argos Support video, we will give you useful information on how to keep your oven working efficiently. Ovens are one of the most energy-intensive appliances in a household, so ensuring it's working efficiently is important. Firstly, check the door seals are in good condition and there aren't any visible gaps between the door and oven body. If there are gaps, please refer to your instruction manual to see how to adjust the door. Additionally, you may be able to order new seals for your oven if they have perished. Next, check the recipe or food packaging for the correct temperature. Having the oven at a higher temperature than necessary could burn the food and waste energy. We recommend using the fan setting on your oven if it has one. Fan ovens are more energy efficient because they circulate the heat all around the inside of the oven, meaning there are no cold spots like some conventional ovens. When using the fan setting, the required temperature can often be reduced by up to 20 degrees. Please check the food packaging before trying this. Where possible, avoid overfilling your oven. The more food to cook means that more energy is consumed. If your house is cold, we recommend opening and leaving the oven door slightly open after cooking. Ensure you turn the oven off straight after cooking. Ensure that you keep your oven clean. A build of food debris will mean your oven is less efficient and could take longer to heat up to temperature.